Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to try your hand at options trading but felt overwhelmed by all the different platforms out there, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to trade options right inside TradingView, one of the most popular charting platforms in the crypto space. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your environment, navigate the tools, place your first options trade, and understand what each step actually means for your trading journey. Let's dive right in and make this process simple and stress-free. To kick things off, start by opening up TradingView in your browser or in the app if you prefer. TradingView is packed full of features, but don't let that intimidate you. All we're after today is setting up the tools specifically for options trading. Once you're in, direct your eyes to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your watch list, a handy panel that tracks the assets you're interested in. Look for the little plus sign right beside your watch list. Go ahead and give that a click. What this does is let you add new assets to monitor, which is the first step to pulling up the crypto you want to trade options on. Next, you'll see a search box pop up. Type in the ticker symbol for the crypto you want. Let's use BTC as our example, but you can do this with any supported crypto. It can take a moment, so don't worry if it feels like the list is taking its time to update. After you enter BTC, scroll down your watch list, and you should see it pop up at the very bottom. Adding assets this way is a bit like assembling your own digital menu. You get to pick and choose exactly what you'll be trading, so the tools are tailored for you. Now, with your chosen crypto ready in the watch list, it's time to open up the trading panel. The trading panel is located at the very bottom of your TradingView interface. Clicking on it feels almost like lifting the hood of a car to reveal a whole suite of powerful trading engines. Among the different brokers and demo environments, you'll want to search for paper trading. This is a fantastic feature, especially if you're new to options, because it lets you trade with virtual funds. You get all of the experience, none of the risk. Select paper trading and hit connect. It'll take a few moments, but once it's linked, you're now set up to place trades as if you're in the live market, but with no real money at stake. Alright, you're ready to make your first trade. Look to the bottom of your TradingView window. Any crypto you've added and any connected accounts should appear here. Click on the crypto you want to trade, let's say BTC again for this example. This is your gateway into the trading world for this specific asset. An order menu should automatically pop up on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Think of this menu as your control panel. Here you'll be able to specify your trade, how much you want to risk, the kind of option you want, and more. When you're ready to place your options bet, make sure you understand the difference between selling and buying options. If you already have BTC in your connected account, you can use the sell option feature. This is a bit like renting out your BTC for someone else to use, and you collect a premium in return. On the other hand, if you only have USDT and want to potentially gain some BTC, you'd click on Buy to purchase an option. This gives you a chance to profit if BTC moves in the direction you anticipate. Don't stress if this feels a bit complex at first. Options trading does take some learning, but remember, with paper trading, you can experiment risk-free until everything clicks, and that's really all there is to it. TradingView makes it surprisingly straightforward to get into options, whether you're just testing strategies or looking to take the next step into live trading. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions about options, or if there's a part of TradingView you want to learn more about, let me know in the comments. I always love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our latest trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.